Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwakunhata. I welcome you to my class this minute. If today is the very first time of you joining my class, move it up. A special welcome goes to you. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please look down the and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. You can also click on the notification bell to receive an update whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you. All right, so for today, we are still on the fractions and decimals, right? We have done so many things using our models, and we are still continuing to convert percent to decimals and decimals to percent and vice versa. But before we start with today's activity, I have a short quiz for you. And this is my short quiz. See whether you guys can see. No. Okay, let me read it out for you. So I have 0.95. I don't want to mention the name because it's part of the quiz, the short quiz that I have for you. Share screen. Gosh. All right, so the part of the quiz, we have points. So 0.95. Okay, good. So the first question is, one, I'm sharing it. Plot this on a number line. So how do you plot this on a number line? The number line ranges from 0.9 up to 1. With 9 bars. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so basically it's like this. Then we are supposed to plot 0.95 on this number line. Number 2, write the word form of this. So what is the word form of that? Number 3, write the fraction to represent this. Number 4, how many tens do we have here? And how many hundreds do we have on this? And the last question is compare 0.95. I'll give you one clue. Compare 9,500 to 8,900. Okay, so you're comparing, you know how to compare using a less than, a greater sign, or the equal to sign. So this is a short quiz for you guys, okay? Right. So now let's see our big ideas. So stop sharing this. Then we can go back to our big ideas. Okay, so I hope you guys are seeing my screen again. So let's look at the key idea in our lesson for today. So when you say percent, you know what a percent means. Example, you guys have been doing so many tests and you have been getting so many grades from your teachers, right? So let's assume you had 25% in a test. What does that mean? So the test was out of 100, but out of the 100, you scored a 25. So in this case, that means the 25 becomes part of the whole 100. So percent means what? The value of the part to whole ratio, where the whole is, let me zoom it out, the whole is 100, right? So we have, if for example again, if we have 25%, not a symbol for percent. The symbol for percent is this, and so it means that the 25 becomes part over, becomes a pair. Then your 100 become the whole, so part to whole ratio of whatever you score in your test. So that is what a percent means. Now let's look at the mathematical aspect of it on the numbers. You go up. Sorry, I need to clean this right. Okay, so that is what you guys are seeing here. Numbers. Let me clean it so that you can see well. Right. So you have, if you have 60%, then a similar again, this means 60 out of 100. 60 becomes a part of whatever you scored, per becomes the over, and 100 becomes the total, the whole thing. Then algebra, if we have n with a percent sign, it means n over 100. N represents anything, n is a variable. So it represents any number. That is how to write what percent. Okay, now you know what a percent means. Now let's just jump straight to how to write percent as a decimal. How do you then write a percent as a decimal? Okay, so let's all watch this together. Now this has been done using the model. I don't think I have been here. I can see every there's a model representation. That is what they are doing. This is a model representation of about 18. It is talking, it is explained, and you guys can hear. So I want to figure out how I'll be able to allow you guys to hear whatever. So let's pause this. Okay, let's continue. Let's just see the model. 100% means you should everything. So I need to write down the light. You got it? Okay. So that is the model representation of whatever you are seeing there. And it's very easy for you to see one whole, every part has been stated. Then 74, that is 7 tens and 4 hundreds, okay? That is it. So 174. You have your 1, you have your 7 tens, and 4 little boxes representing 74 out of another 100. This is 100 already, 74 boxes out of another 100 box, right? Okay, so I'll leave you here for you to process whatever we have done. But before I leave, your exit tickets is one, write, let me write on the board so you guys can see. So your homework is you're writing 84 one, you're modeling this for me. 84% as a mixed number in the simplest form. As a mixed number means that in the simplest form means that you need to what? Reduce it to the lowest term. The simplest form, reduce it to the lowest term. And I know you guys can do that because you have already treated that already. Okay, so and you change it to a mixed number. That is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is an improper fraction. Then you can change it to a mixed number. All right, so using the long division approach, we know that, we know how to do it. So I'll end here, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up down there. Do not forget to share the link to your friends to enjoy this tutorial. So we meet again. Please stay safe and let hard practice it. You have your Math Nation. Please solve more problems in the Math Nation. The Math Nation is a very good tool, but it has videos explaining everything before it gives you an assessment. So there's no way you should be able to get it wrong. And if you get it wrong, it will give you back the video for you to watch it again. Then you can get it right. All right, so until we meet again, please stay safe and let her, have a good weekend, guys.